This video will show how to plot strike, dip, and trend plunge pairs on Schmidt nets. Here we see the Schmidt net, or equal area net. First we place a transparency on top. Trace the circle and mark the top point as north. We want to draw the great circle and pole for the strike-dip pair 56-32. 56 degrees is the strike, and 32 degrees is the dip. The strike-dip pair is a plane on the earth, so it equates to a line, the great line, on the Schmidt net. First, we count clockwise from north 56 degrees and mark it. Spin the transparency so the 56-degree mark is at the top of the Schmidt net. Count in from the right side along the 90-degree line, 32 degrees for the dip. Mark this point. Count 90 degrees from this point to the left. Mark this point. This is the pole for the great circle. Follow the line that this point lands on up to the 56-degree mark. Draw from this mark past the dot until you reach the end. This is the great circle. Now we can rotate the transparency back to start on the next point. Let's do another example with strike dip 302-10. Now let's plot trend plunge pairs. The first pair will have a trend of 250 and plunge 50. Since the trend plunge is a line, it ends up as a point on the Schmidt net. Mark the 250-degree mark. Spin the transparency so the 250 mark is in the north position. In this position, count down 50 degrees from the 250 mark, unlike the strike dip where you count in from the right. Place a dot. This is the trend plunge point. Spin the transparency back so the north mark is in the north position. We shall do another example with trend plunge being 110-75. Here is the final Schmidt net. This is what your transparency should look like without the Schmidt net behind it.